This excellent 2002 Dodge Ram 1500 comes equipped with a responsive 4.7-liter 8-cylinder 16-valve engine, a smooth shifting transmission, and has rear-wheel drive. This four-door truck has supportive seats, 115,492 miles, and its electronic features include an audio system equipped with an AM/FM radio and a cassette deck and a 4-speaker in-cabin sound system. For the safety of you and your passengers, this vehicle has an anti-lock braking system, 4 ventilated disc brakes and driver and passenger front airbags. Call or come by today to arrange a test drive.